Stop by and take a look at the 2023 Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain-sensing wipers, rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, fog lights, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control. Come see the car for yourself.